Yesterday and even the day before, I didn't touch my wig because the braids I was using didn't finish. These are the same braids I was twisting on my thighs, the ones I prepped before I start braiding. These ones, they didn't finish. And guess what? They ran out. I had hopes that I would be further along by now, but instead of getting frustrated, I used that time to prepare more braids to use. I sat down and just focused on twisting more on my thighs, as you saw in the last video I posted yesterday. Because sometimes the process isn't about the wigs, it's about the process. Oh, it's about patience. If you don't have patience in this world. So yesterday I didn't install anything. I just twisted more crochet braids. Where is my wig? Where you? Come here. Oh, you see? I didn't touch anything yesterday. I didn't touch anything, you see? So I reminded myself, even this part, this long part, it's progress. This is progress. So finally today I'm going to install them and see if they will finish this way. But I don't think so. Will they finish the week? Will I need more? I honestly don't really know. But there is one more thing. I wore trousers today. See? Look at the trousers. So I can't twist on my thighs right now, not today, because I wore trousers. If these ones don't finish the week today, I will have to wait until tomorrow so that I can twist more of them. You see? Let me put them here. Let me put them there. Because this method, this way, I have been using it. It needs space, freedom, and comfort. And my thighs, it needs my thighs more. And I know someone out there might be there thinking, how do you keep going, you know? How do you stay motivated when it feels slow or uncertain, you know? But I show up anyway, because every wig I make is more than hair. It's proof that I'm building something with what I've got, that even when materials don't finish, I won't stop. So stick with me, whether they finish today or not. We are still in the journey, we are still creating, and I'll keep showing you everything step by step. I had a plan that I'll be finishing the week by now, but the braids said otherwise. The ones I twist on my thighs, the ones I always count on, didn't finish the week. I had to wait, and instead of stressing, I did what I could. I went back to twisting more and more and more and more, because this journey is not about how far I get there. It's about what I learned when things get down, when things get slow. Yesterday passed without me touching this wig. But I wasn't idle, I was prepping. I was showing up in another way. And today, I came ready to install what I have. Will they finish the week? Maybe, maybe not. But I came anyway. I wore trousers today, so twisting on my thighs isn't possible. And that means if I need more braids, I will wait till tomorrow. And that's okay, you know, because I'm learning to flow with the process. You know, not to force it, because every delay is still part of the process, part of the story. So whether the braids finish today or not, I'm still creating, I'm still becoming. There is something about these quiet days, oh my God, the ones where things don't move as fast as you hoped, where the week doesn't get done, where the braids don't finish. That's the kind of day I had yesterday. I didn't touch the wig. It's not always glamorous, it's not always moving at full speed, but behind every wig I make, it's a story showing up. Even when it's slow, even when it's inconvenience, even when I'm tired, because this isn't just about braids. It's about consistency. It's about building something even when no one claps for you. But I know the finishing line is coming. Maybe not today, but anytime soon. And when it comes, I'll look back and say I kept going anyway, you know. So guys, let's start working. Where is my needle? Where is my needle? Where is my needle? I've got it. It's here. Here. And my braids are here. Look at them. So let's start working. Look at this. Should I put this here? Will you guys see well? Maybe here. Let me put here, see. No. Let me do like this. So guys, I want you to see well. Do you see well? Good. So here, I've spoiled this one.